Hi, it's Terri Baron from Practice Insider's Edge. Welcome! I am here to do a little Talk with Terri video with you today, and my topic today is talking about one insight that I have regarding how to help private practice healthcare business owners and or their staff close a new patient. And yes, I use the word close, which that's the whole insight for today, is the mindset about the word close versus what we should maybe shift to as healthcare providers. So earlier in this week, actually, we posted this same question in our private Facebook group about what are some of your keys as a healthcare private practice business owner on how to close a new patient. And we got some great insights, some great ideas were shared in the group. And I thought instead of just sharing one of my insights in the group alone, we would make a video and I would share at least one of my many insights on how I go about doing this. To give you a little background on myself, in case you're new to the whole Practice Insider's Edge and who these people are that you see in the videos, I am Terri Baron. I am a physical therapist and an athletic trainer, and I've been practicing, believe it or not, for over 29 years. That's even hard to say. I hope I don't look like I've been practicing that long. And my husband, Dr. Terri Baron, is my partner at Practice Insider's Edge, and he is a doctor of chiropractic. So today I wanted to share with you one of my insights on how we address the mindset and how we actually take an action step to help us close a new patient when they come in for an evaluation. And my insight comes from these 29 years of practice and doing calculations with Derek. I think we have figured that I've seen somewhere between 10 and 12,000 patients over my lifespan as a treating physical therapist and athletic trainer. So I have a little bit of insight, a little bit of wisdom, and I would love to share that with you. Now, I have been a private practice owner as well, so there is a mindset shift that we need to take into account when we're looking at that new patient that comes in our door. And the new patient doesn't matter what kind of healthcare you're in, whether it's chiropractic, physical therapy, occupational therapy, massage therapy, psychiatric care, any of these private practice healthcares. The mindset shift for the business owner has to happen, and it doesn't mean that that has to take away from you being a healthcare provider and taking great care of your patient and providing them the valuable care and services that they need. But there does need to be a little mindset shift. So the insight for today is looking at using the word closing and talking about sales when it comes to dealing with our patients, and shifting that, knowing that is something that you have to think about. Using the word sales and closing, that is something as the owner you have to be aware of. But to help with the mindset shift, all of us in healthcare tend to really recognize that we love to educate our patients, right? We want to share with them what's going on with their condition, what's going to happen when we provide them the services or the care that we're offering them. We know it's really important for them to understand what we're going to be providing to our patient because they came in to see us today because they have pain or they want to improve their function and they want to get back to, say, dancing. So knowing that we love to educate our patients, that is the mindset shift, is that you have to recognize that closing a patient is very important to keeping your doors open, generating revenue, being able to take an owner draw, being able to pay your staff. It's very important to close the patients, and you do have to keep the statistics and the metrics as part of your business financing. But if you can make that mindset shift to the fact that you're not treating a patient as if they're a sales number, you're treating them as a patient and you're educating them. And if you take that mindset shift and replace sales with education, it usually makes us feel a whole lot better. The core of us, the heart of us who want to be the healthcare provider feel so much better recognizing that if we do a good job educating our patients on why it's valuable and important for them to continue their care with us after today, after this first visit with us, then that is a close. If you educate them appropriately and they sign up for the plan of care that you recommended and they continue to see you for that plan of care, you have closed them. And that's a good thing. It's a good thing for them because you know as the healthcare provider and the educator that that is going to help them achieve the goals that they want to achieve and why they came in to see you. And as the business owner, you recognize that closing another patient is going to help you with the revenue generation that you do need to keep your practice doors open. So today's mindset shift, my insight in regards to what is a key to closing our new patients, the key is simple. Don't think about it as closing, think about it as educating your patient. It's that simple. Now, there's a lot of other insights that are really, really important to help you and your staff to be able to sell or close your new patients at that initial evaluation. And we have a whole system at Practice Insider's Edge that goes over a lot of other insights that really help you with this very important visit with your patient, this initial evaluation visit. So if you're interested in learning more about the systems that we offer and getting more insights on how to help you to close these new patients and make sure that you're helping as many people as you can, but you're also helping keeping the doors open at your practice, then drop the word below the video where you're seeing it, close, C-L-O-S-E. Drop that word in and we'll make sure that we capture your comment and we'll get in touch with you and share some more of the insights and more about the systems that we have at Practice Insider's Edge to help our private practice healthcare business owners to close their new patients at their first visit. Thanks for joining me today. It was a pleasure as always. And remember, at Practice Insider's Edge, we truly want to help you find success on so many levels.